I am reviewing the Kinetiplex Universal 5-digit combination lock. I have used this product for the last 4 days and I am very impressed. I'll go ahead and show you how I received this product. So this box here, the small box, it arrived inside of a bigger box shipped by Amazon. Not surprising because Amazon always does that. So let's take everything out. Alright. Okay. Yep, and that's everything. Alright, so the first thing that sticks out is this paper. Alright. So this is the instructions on how to reset the combination lock. There's only 4 easy to follow instructions. I'll go over that in this video. Okay, so this has 2 components. First is the bicycle mount, if you choose to use it. And here is the other part, the lock itself. Alright, so let's go over the mount first. Alright, so this mount, basically, it comes with 2 rubber material stoppers. So basically, first you have to wrap this around the part of your bicycle frame where you want to set the mount. Alright, then you unscrew the nut to the screws. Okay, alright, you take the screws out like that. Okay, so you put this over your frame, and then you take this and then you put it over the rubber material. Alright, just like that. You know, and it opens, you know, so you can put it over your frame. Okay, so once that goes in, this shouldn't really move, it should stay still. Alright, so you take your lock, and then this area here, it will fit right inside the groove of the mount, just like this. Okay, it's that simple. So it is locked. Okay, it is secure. So when you want to release, you press the red button and it slips right out. Okay, so again, goes in, out. Okay, so the one thing I would suggest that people do is always hold down this red button when you put the lock onto the mount, because as you can see, if you just put it on like this, it takes a little bit of force. So, and for the longevity of this mount, I think you should put good care into it. Just don't put too much stress by just, you know, pushing it down like that. I suggest that when you put it in, you hold down the red button and you slip it in. Yeah, like that. So I'm probably not going to use this mount because I have a scooter and I just don't like the appearance of this mount on my scooter. But I would definitely put this on my bicycle if I had a bicycle. Okay, so let's put this away. Alright, so the other part, the best part, is the lock. Alright, so when I was looking at the lock, the first thing I was looking at is the steel cord. They grade it as grade A. I don't understand what that means, but it must be strong because some of the other locks on Amazon don't even tell you what material the cable is. So this is grade A. It is encased inside of a flexible PVC-like material. It bends, it stretches. You know, I don't have any issues manipulating the cord. So, all right. So I feel good. This lock definitely feels heavy in my hand. All right. There we have it. So, all right. So, yeah, it's heavy. And just to give you an idea of how big this lock is, this is a soda can. All right. Side by side view. All right, that's how big it is. Not that big. So I'm just gonna put this inside of my backpack. And when I need it, I'll just take it out. It's very easy to store. All right, now for the lock, the combination, there's two little grooves here that you should line up the numbers. So the combination that I arrived with is 000. That's the combination to unlock it. So let's turn this dial. All right, so now all the zeros are lined up to these two grooves, and you just take it out. All right, easy. All right, so now it's locked. All right. So I'll show you how to reset the combination. It's very easy. So you take it out. Right here, there is a word that says reset. So it has a little arrow telling you which direction to turn it. So you turn this in the direction that it wants you to turn, like that. You hear a click, and then you can change your combination. I'll set the new combination to 0 to 1111. All right. So after I set it to there, I'm going to put it back, turn this dial back to where it was, which is like that. All right. So now the combination is 11111. Okay. All right. Turn the dial. Okay. There we have it. Now it's ones, a bunch of ones. Okay, so lock is easy to reset. All right, let's look at the inside components of this lock. All right, so this here is the same material that I feel when I touch a padlock. Is some kind of steel grade material, and I can feel the same material inside here. Yeah, and all along the insides here as well. So the steel here is encased around this heavy-duty plastic material. All right, both sides. Yep, it feels very well built. I am impressed. All right. So, and then even the dial it's very easy to spin and turn it. It has these little grooves in between the numbers so that you can turn it easily. Yeah, you can hear the clicks. I love hearing the clicks. All right. So overall, it's heavy. It feels well built, but you know, it's heavy, but it's not too heavy. It feels well built. It feels strong. And I'm just hoping that this lock will endure through the elements such as the harsh rain and like freezing cold, hot summer days. So at the time of this video, I'm using it during the hot summer days, and it's been 4 days in. I have not noticed any deterioration, but I'm definitely gonna post updates when I notice that there's some kind of problems with this lock. But for now, it feels like it will endure all the conditions that I mentioned. Alright, so if you have any questions, please post a comment and I will try to respond as quickly as I can. But I'm very impressed by this lock. It feels well built.